Hello dear WebDevDL users. This is a tutorial video about Nulled WordPress theme installation. As you know, the Nulled theme or template is different from the original license, and the word null is nullable types are a feature of some programming languages which allow the value to be set to the special value null instead of the usual possible values of the data type. In statically typed languages, a nullable type is an option type, while in dynamically typed languages, where values have types but variables do not, equivalent behavior is provided by having a single null value. Null is frequently used to represent a missing value or invalid value, such as from a function that failed to return a missing field in a database, as in null in SQL. Primitive types, such as integers and booleans, cannot generally be null, but the corresponding nullable types, nullable integers and nullable booleans respectively, can also assume the null value. So let's go to the theme installation. The theme we choose to install today is a Residence WordPress theme. Now let's go to the theme page to download the intended file. To be faster in process, I've already chosen a past version and downloaded the file. Now extract the downloaded file. Go to the main folder. Usually in this kind of folders, there are several types of folders and files, such as wpresident.zip and wpresidentschild.zip here. In some themes, there is another file beside like current theme, and wpresident.child.zip is going to be used for the theme. Here we have the demo content folder that includes demo files, so you can use them if you want to import manually. The documentation folder contains a tutorial on installing and setting up and using themes and plugins folder contains the plugins that are used for required theme. First, we have to upload theme folders. Therefore, go to host. The host that we use in this tutorial is direct admin. You can also use a cPanel because there isn't any difference in the process. We have installed WordPress before, so go to WP content folder in File Manager. Go to the theme folder. Now you have to upload here the zipped files. So start to upload. Perhaps you will say we could do the installation via WordPress dashboard and theme menu. I have to say yes, you could do through that, but because the template is null, we may have a problem. So it's better to proceed this way. At the end of uploading, extract files into the host. So I delete extra files after uploading ends. They are not required. The next step is to upload of required plugins. Open it and then open the plugins folder. Now we have to upload the files we zipped before. Start to upload. Until the plugins are uploaded, I want to show you that our website's default is set on WordPress 2021 theme. When the upload is done, extract your files in the host. So I delete extra files after the upload ends. They are not required. Go to the plugins section in WordPress dashboard. You can see that the plugins are displayed here, but they are not active. Select all plugins and activate all of them. If any of the plugins is not active, you have to activate them separately. After activating all plugins, go to the theme menu in the dashboard. Activate the intended theme. After that, open the menu of Import Demo Data. Select the demo that you want to import. Click on Import, then click on Yes Import. Select the demo that you want to import. Click on Import, then click on Yes Import. It may take a while depending on your host speed and the server where information is uploaded from. Please note that your host must have a good capacity to import data. You can find information about this section in the tutorials that the theme creators have on their website or documentation. Well, when the import of the demo is finished, I reload the dashboard. Also, if you go to the notifications section of the dashboard and refresh the website, you will see all the required elements and data will be uploaded and displayed on the site. You can personalize the theme using the documentation file that came with the download file and add the content you need to the site. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck!